Breaking news. Bro, listen. Today I saw one tiny update inside a trade document, but it felt like a market earthquake waiting to happen. If this deal gets signed, 3 Indian exporters can explode overnight. And the craziest part, most people won't even understand why until it's too late. But before the winners, you need the real story. Here's the quick context, bro. India is negotiating a deal that removes import duties for our biggest customers. Lower duty means cheaper Indian goods, therefore global buyers order more. But here's the conflict. Not every exporter gains from this. Some sectors benefit instantly, therefore others barely move. And that's where the real twist starts. You're thinking IT will win. Correct. But IT is not the biggest shock here. Here's the 5-second breakdown. IT exports right-pointing arrow benefit if US tariffs soften. Pharma exports right-pointing arrow benefit if approvals speed up. Auto exports right-pointing arrow benefit because duty cuts hit deepest. Therefore, these 3 sectors are quietly preparing. More shipments, more hiring, more USD contracts. But the emotional punch. The biggest winner might be a sector nobody is even watching. Bro, when I discovered this, I literally stopped scrolling. Here's where it gets personal, bro. Exporters earn in dollars, therefore when rupee weakens, profits jump. So if the deal signs, earnings move faster. Stocks spike before the crowd reacts. Momentum becomes strong. Volatility becomes an opportunity, not a threat. This is the transformation stage. Your view of exporters shifts from boring sector to silent rockets. But what if the deal doesn't sign? Bro, exporters are giving quiet signals. If the deal signs, these sectors sprint. If the deal fails, something even bigger hits the market. Therefore, the next video is important. Because in that one I'll show you what collapses first if the deal doesn't happen. Stay ready. This story isn't finished.